Alam niyo ba na may product si ProLife UK na isang beses ka lang magbabayad? Ito yung plan na may insurance at may guaranteed na cash benefit na matatanggap ka taon-taon. Yearly payout plans are one of the smartest financial tool na hindi alam ng maraming Filipinos. This plan addresses the issue of continuous cash flow. Pero ano nga ba ang cash flow, Ate Sara? Tayong mga Pinoy, our source of income is what we call man at work. Ito yung nagtatrabaho ka 8 hours a day, 5 times a week para may sahod ka. But what if magkasakit or maaksidente? Wala nang mag-work physically. Hindi ka na makakapag-work. So wala nang income, wala na ring continuous cash flow. Now, if you have this plan with ProLife UK with guaranteed cash payouts, then you have a second source of income. This source of income is sure and guaranteed. Hindi mo kailangang mag-work physically, hindi nakadepende sa economy, and hindi mo kailangang bantayan katulad ng ibang negosyo. This is the kind of plan that gives you peace of mind na kahit ano pa ang mangyari, tuloy-tuloy ang cash flow mo. Again, this is your trusted financial advisor, Sarah Marie Lacap. You can message me to know more about this plan.